Let me ask you a question. Do you know that the FIFA World Cup 2026 isn't just a sporting event, but a money printing machine for website owners? For 39 straight days from June to July, billions of people will actually be glued to their screens, searching for schedules, live scores, and highlights. Advertisers know this, which is why they're throwing record budgets at this event. We are talking CPMs that double, even triple, during match hours. If you have a website, a blog, even social traffic, this is your biggest monetization window of the entire year. But you need the right tool to capture it. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Monetag to turn your traffic into a gold mine, even when your website is brand new. Let me answer one simple question that you might be battling with. What is Monetag? So Monetag, simply put, is a global ad monetization platform that enables you to earn from your traffic. Whether you run a sports blog, a news site, a mobile app, or even just social media pages, Monetag works for you. The best part, it's instant. There is no minimum traffic that you need to present for you to be accepted into the monetization program. You can start even today and you begin to earn from your traffic. But why am I talking about this now? Well, because the FIFA World Cup 2026 is quite different. This is the first time we have 48 teams playing 104 matches across the US, Canada, and Mexico. That's over 60% more matches than last time. We are looking at a massive spike in sports, news, and entertainment traffic. Even if your website isn't about sport, you're going to have spillover traffic from search and social media. And here's the kicker. This year, YouTube and TikTok are official FIFA partners, meaning that they are pushing sports content harder than ever before. Everyone is scrolling, everyone is clicking, and you can monetize any one of those visitors. Now, how do you capture that revenue? Before I practically show you how to do this, let me explain the features of Monetag that enable you to monetize your traffic. First, the Mount tag. This is Monetag's flagship tool. Instead of putting 5 codes on your website, you simply install one. And the AI does the rest. Monetag uses AI to test and deliver the best performing ad format for each visitor. We are talking pop-unders and push notification, vignette banners, interstitials, and in-page push. Monetag says this can actually boost your revenue by up to 53% as compared to using a single format. For a World Cup audience, that is crucial. For example, during a live match broadcast, pop-unders are a revenue engine. They work behind the scenes to capture high-intent traffic. Meanwhile, in-page push works great during halftime when people are busy surfing the net for stats. The AI picks the right one at the right time. And if you're driving traffic from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, mention them, the best is actually the smart link. It automatically routes your visitor to the highest paying offers for their location. It's perfect for social traffic where you just want to drop a link and earn. Now, here is a massive tip. The experts at Monetag say the publishers who set up and test their ad stack in June earn significantly more than those who will be scrambling in July. Don't wait, do it now so that you are ready for the first whistle. The difference between making $50 and $5,000 US this June is actually preparation. Advertisers are preparing their budgets right now. You need to prepare your ad setup right now. Let me now show you how you have to set up everything in preparation for the 2026 June, July, FIFA. All right, so once you happen to click the link, this is the dashboard that you're going to see after the page loads. So what you need to do is, it being the first time, click sign up. When this page loads up, what you need to do is you click create account with email, right? And then you punch in your first name, the last name, then punch in the email address with which you want to register on Monetag. Now, what you need to do is create an account with your actual name, which is on your identity. Because if you use a different name which won't match with that one on your identity card, you will definitely fail to withdraw your earnings from Monetag. So make sure that you use the actual name, right? And then country of residence, you punch in, you select from here after clicking the downward pointing arrow. Then messenger, you choose WhatsApp, Facebook, whichever is appropriate to you, and then you punch in your phone number. When you're done, you need to click continue so as to follow the prompts that will actually follow. So now let me show you the dashboard that you see after you log in. All right, so once you happen to log in, this is the dashboard that you're going to see. So what do you need to do here? For you to begin to earn, what you need to do is you click here where it reads create, and then you click here where it reads add a new website. You click there, and then you punch in the web address. Let me show you how to copy your web address. All right, for demonstration's sake, I'm gonna use my Google website. So where I have to copy the website's link is from here, but of course you need to have a paid domain for you to be able to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna click the link here saying trying to connect, network is pretty bad. Once I copy the link from here, I'll need to head back to Monetag and then paste the link here, right? Paste the link. Though this one will be rejected because it's I haven't connected the paid domain. Okay, and then you click here where it reads add website. Once you do that, there will be some tag that you would need to download from here. When you download it, you need to upload it onto your website, and then here what will remain is actually the verification section. It will say verify. So the moment you upload the tag on your website, you upload it to the root of your website, and then you get back here and click verify, and boom, Monetag will actually begin to show ads onto your website, and you'll be good to go. Okay, now apart from that, if you want to begin to make use of what we call the smart link, that is if you want to monetize traffic from Telegram, traffic from TikTok, traffic from Facebook, traffic from X, which is formerly known as Twitter, you click here where it says create, and then you click where it reads social traffic and say get link, right? Okay, so once the link is created, you're gonna see it here. Me, I have lots of them because I've actually been doing demonstrations, which is why I have lots of them. Well, this is the one that you need to copy, and whenever you're posting anything, let's say you're posting a video on Facebook, you're posting an article on LinkedIn. When you create a description, let me head over to Facebook. This link will definitely monetize your content, right? Let me head over to Facebook. So I'm on Facebook, and presuming that I had uploaded a video. I'm just uploading something right now. What I'll do is in the description section of that particular video that I want to upload, I'll make sure that I plant the smart link, right? So if for a video that I've already uploaded, I'll do this. I'll simply click edit, and then all right, so what I'll do is I simply click here and then paste in that link that I copied from Monetag, which is the smart link, right? Yeah. So first I'll need to punch in something like click here for more information, so that people are prompted to click the link. Okay. And after typing in that, I will need now to hit the colon and paste in the link. Thereafter, I'll need to make sure that it's visible now. So what I'll do is I'll actually create some space around the link so that people will definitely be able to see it clearly. All right, just like that, as you can see on the screen. And then the next step is to simply hit next at the bottom there. Yeah. And just like that, that will definitely be published. Anytime people are watching, they'll actually be clicking there. The video has actually been edited with a smart link planted therein. See, that's how we do it. If you want to upload something else, let me look for a picture. If you want to post something else, right, let me look for a picture. Okay, so I'm gonna upload this one. Say go live, get paid. Yeah, this one is intriguing, right? Check this one out. Go live, get paid. And then I'm gonna type something like click here for more info, for more information, and then colon. Thereafter, paste in that link, which is the smart link, right? And click next so as to post this picture. You see how intriguing this one? And then there's a link. People will be clicking the link so as to find out more information, and when they are clicking, Monetag will do the rest and you'll be earning in the background. That's how we go about this. Go ahead, sign up with my link in the description section on Monetag and begin to power some money. Get set for the 2026 FIFA World Cup.